Change-driven businesses realize the importance of an agile ALM environment. However, keeping your edge in today's innovation economy can be tough if your teams are struggling with disconnected tools and hampered communication. Integrating Azure DevOps with Jira bridges the gap between your digital teams by helping them gain real-time visibility across the software delivery value stream, collaborate without communication gaps, and deliver seamless customer experiences. Ultimately, this integration empowers your development and project management teams to work better towards achieving a truly agile, innovation-first ecosystem. In Jira, the product team starts by creating an epic, adds details like the name, summary, and description. Once done, clicks on Create. The epic created here in Jira will automatically synchronize to ADO with all its details. Navigating to Azure DevOps, we can see the epic reflecting here, and so are its details. In Jira, the product team now enters a comment and changes the priority from low to highest. All the changes made in Jira will sync back to ADO. Refreshing the page in ADO, the priority has changed to 1, which signifies the highest. And we can see the comment which was added in Jira reflecting here. The engineering team now starts work on the epic and adds a comment in ADO. In Jira, we can see the comment added in ADO has bidirectionally synchronized. In ADO, the engineering team creates a requirement, fills in required details like the title and the description. In the description, the engineering team inserts an inline image. All details, including the attachment, will bidirectionally sync back to Jira. In this requirement, the engineering team also links the epic which was created in Jira. Navigating back to Jira, we can see the requirement created in ADO reflecting here. All details, including the inline image as an attachment, have synced from ADO to Jira. In Jira, the remote entity ID and remote entity link are visible for the ADO requirement. Clicking on the link will redirect you to the ADO ID created in ADO. The link created between the epic and the ADO requirement is also preserved in Jira. Going back to ADO, the engineering team adds a comment to the requirement notifying the product team in Jira. The comment will be visible to the Jira product team automatically in near to real time. In Jira, we can see the comment has synchronized. The product team in Jira now adds a comment as a response to the engineering team in ADO. We can see the comment added in Jira has successfully synced to ADO. Similar to the remote ID and remote entity link we saw in Jira for the ADO requirement, here in ADO we can see the Jira requirement remote ID and remote link. The engineering team now goes on to change the status of the ADO requirement, marking the completion of the work. Back in Jira, we can see the updated status of the Jira requirement, which is now the same as the ADO requirement. Finally, the product team goes back to the epic and changes the status from in progress to done. Refreshing the page in ADO, the status of the epic has synced to ADO and therefore has changed to done. That completes the video. Thank you for watching.